Namaskar, Jai Hind. This is Captain Naveen Nagappa. 21 years back, that's in the year 1999, Indian Army fought one of the most fierce battles that the world has ever seen, particularly in jungle warfare. The Kargil War, as we all know it as, is a saga of grit, determination, bravery, sacrifice, death, but ultimately resulted in every inch of the territory that was occupied by the Pakistanis was taken back. The tricolor was hoisted on every feature which was occupied by the Pakistanis. The Kargil War was fought over a period of 50 days in 4 different sectors. 10 units were awarded the bravest of the brave. I belong to one such battalion known as 13th Battalion Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, and it gives me immense pride to state that in the history of independent India, if there is any unit, if there is any battle in which 2 Paramveer Chakras have been awarded, that is 13th Battalion Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. Captain Vikram Batra posthumously awarded Paramveer Chakra, and Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, who was again awarded Paramveer Chakra, both for their bravery shown on point 4875, the feature which I got hurt. My unit, that is 13th Battalion Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, launched 2 attacks. We fought 2 battles, one on point 5140, in which Captain Vikram Batra and Captain Sanjeev Singh Jambal were the officers who led the attack. I happened to be in the reserve. God forbid, if something had to go wrong, then I had to replace them. The attack on point 5140 was immensely successful. The feature was won in flat 24 hours without a single casualty on our side. The next attack that my unit carried out, which I had a major role to play, was point 4875. From 4th July 1999 to 7th July 1999, the Battle of 4875 was fought. The climb was very steep, ranging from 60 to 80 degrees. Heavy winds blowing, at times it used to rain. We fought. In spite of all these difficulties, we fought without food, shelter, sleep, and in the open while enemy was fortified in the defenses. We fought for more than 60 hours without food and water. In the early hours of 7th July 1999, we had almost come to a point wherein the entire feature was cleared but for one bunker of the Pakistanis. I was guarding a bunker. On my right was a big boulder, on the other side was the Pakistanis' last post. 7th July early morning, they lob a hand grenade into the bunker which I was guarding. The hand grenade lands right in front of my feet. Ladies and gentlemen, in the next 2 seconds, the grenade took off with a huge blast, with a huge intensity, severely injuring both my legs. I was in a state of hallucination. I was not even aware whether I am dead or alive. I was in that state when the counterattack by the Pakistanis were launched. That is the time Captain Vikram Batra comes running towards my bunker, and the first words he said, quote unquote, he says, "Anna, tu darna nahi, main aa gaya hoon." That gave me immense sense of confidence. And since the counterattack was already on, I picked up my AK-47 and started firing towards the enemy. So did Captain Vikram Batra, and so did my men who were down below. We somehow managed to stall the counterattack, and the injury was so severe that I had to crawl good about 150 meters down. Subsequently, I was shifted, and then the next day, sensing the severity of my injury, wherein I got hurt early in the morning, by the time they brought me down, it was late in the evening. There was too much of blood flow which had happened. There was infection which had spread. As a result, they placed me in dangerously ill list, and I had to be flown to Srinagar. From Srinagar, I was again taken to Delhi, wherein I was treated for 21 months with 8 major surgeries. And when the doctors realized that there was no scope of improving my legs surgically, I was sent to Artificial Limb Center, Pune. And in Artificial Limb Center, Pune, I was given crutches on both my hands and the braces up to my knees on both the legs. I was given to understand I will not be able to walk for the rest of my life. I have to take the support of either the crutches or the braces which the hospital authorities had given me. But my dear friends, I had made up my mind that I want to walk, I want to live as normally as every other people do. The moment I was declared medically unfit to serve in army, I was out from the army from Pune and then came back to Hubli. I put myself through a grind. There are a lot of physiotherapy, there are a lot of exercise which I did, and finally by the God's grace and maybe because of my good deed of parents, I'm walking hill and hearty today. I look after myself on my own. Yes, this day calls for celebration. The Kargil Vijay Divas, 26th of July, needs to be celebrated with pomp. But at the same time, we have to realize that there were 527 soldiers who sacrificed their lives. Thousands of them got injured for whom life has never been the same again. They are the ones who are to be remembered on this solemn day. Ultimately, what I would like to urge upon you people is, we have to be citizens, both those sacrifices. Let's prove them that we are worthy citizens and worth of those sacrifices. Thank you and Jai Hind.